Hello, it's about 11 o'clock and we had snow on the panels this morning. We just cleared a lot of the tree so we don't have too much shading on the panels. And I'm here to show you the new sensor I have. It's right here. It's just a piece of black metal, and below it we have our temperature sensor glued in place, and that goes into our control panel. So let's go and look at that. This is going to be a short video. So again, we're at 400 watts. This is what our temperature sensor would look like. It's just a string of diodes on the inside, some hot melt glue to provide some environmental protection for the conductors, and it it's located right here. We supply some voltage to this resistor, and we measure the forward voltage, and we compare that with our PV panel voltage, and these two values should be the same. If this gets higher than this one, indicating the voltage has dropped, it'll short out this little timing capacitor and will stop the output. Something I've added to this, the 393 has a dual comparator package, and we have added this little feature. It's one of the comparators operated in a unity gain, and it's powering through LEDs. The LEDs will provide some offset, but if you look here, you can see how they light up. And if we short out the panels, you can see they turn off. So it's a good little power indicator. And in direct connect, we're not going to see much. Normally in direct connect you get about 10% more current, but the voltage drops. Power remains about the same. So right now we're pretty good. But there's a little pot up here, and if we were to adjust that, we could change the power point voltage. But right now we just have too much sun. It's best to do this when you're about half panel wattage. Then it actually adjusts in range, and so you just turn that for the maximum power. And this little temperature sensor that would track the panel's approximate temperature. You know, as long as that little piece of metal out there is in close proximity to the panels and getting about the same sun, it's getting the same air currents to cool it off, it matches pretty close. It's not perfect, but it's a little bit of tracking. So that's what I wanted to show you today. Like I said, this new feature is driving the LEDs to indicate when the power is on. You could put LEDs across your heating element, but this allows you to do testing without actually any power on the heating element, and so that's kind of convenient. Heck, it was there for free. All I had to do was add 2 LEDs to it and a little pull-up resistor. So that's today's video. The circuitry is almost finalized on the comparator, and I'm really impressed with it, so that'll be showing up in a little while. So thanks for watching.